Hello everyone, episode 6 of Tools and Tips is going to cover social signals. You may have heard the term social signal, but what is it exactly, and how important are they to your search ranking? Let's think about something for a second. We often look for recommendations from people on our social networks, right? I know I do. This might be a purchase you're thinking of making or even a personal issue you're having trouble with. We do this so we can get a few different points of view from a variety of parties and then feel able to make the best decision to act on. In the view of search engines, this sort of recommendation is called, guess what, a social signal. Things like tweets and likes, for example. A social signal is like a vote that you give to things with your likes, tweets, Google Plus account, so on and so forth. You don't have to be a big influencer or famous blogger to make an impact with your social signals. Anybody who uses social media, even an average social media user, has their recommendations counted. We're all getting social signals all the time. But how do social signals affect your ranking? The answer to this question is always plain and simple. Social signals can actually have an indirect effect on your site ranking. Social signals drive engagement to your site. This means more outbound links to you, helping you to build a better backlink profile. You'll always have better visibility, a lower bounce rate, and more repeat visitors to your site. Social sharing is one of the fundamentals of a successful SEO strategy. So align your content with your target audience is crucial if you want to get those useful social signals. What does this mean for you? That a strong social media marketing strategy is crucial to your success. Doing this yourself isn't usually possible, as you're already super busy with the way you run things now. That's why here at All's House Designs, we offer social media marketing service with our website management service. That is going to do it for this episode of Tools and Tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you later.